Hello. As usual, I'm Georgespratz. This is a very quick one. This is an easy way to harmonize certain melodies in church. Assuming I'm in the key of D. Assuming you are given simple melodies like this in the key of D. So, do, re, mi, re, do, la, so, do, mi, do, re, so, fa, mi, re, do, la, so, do, mi, re, do. Simple melody, right? In church, sometimes you don't have to play the notes as they are. You have to try to harmonize them with some simple chords. So, hey, it's a quick way to do it, an easy way to do it. In case you haven't subscribed to my channel, my name is Pastor Georgespratz. I teach guitar online. So if you're looking for a good guitar teacher, hey, please pick the numbers on the screen and let's do it. Alright, so the very first one, you have to learn your basic chords in the key of D. I mean your standard chord sequence. So if I were you, I would learn 1, do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do, or do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. I'll learn this in just one segment of the neck board and extend it across. So when I come here, do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do. I'm trying to spread the chords across the board. So wherever I find my melody, I can form the chords right there. Do you understand me? So for a song like this, so, do, re, mi, I can get my mi here, there's a mi here, there's a mi here. But because I've learned a chord like this, or this is also a do, and this has a mi as its highest note here, I will use it. I make sure I form the chords on the last note of the melody. So I'll play so, do, re, mi, and I'll form the chord on this. Alright? So, do, re, mi, D major 7th. Or I can form a D, normal D. Okay, so, do, re, mi. And the next melody is mi, re, do, la. So, mi, re, do, la. What can I form on the la? Mi, re, do, la. La is part of the fourth chord, G. La is also part of the sixth chord, D minor. both will work, but I have to decide or think of which one suits me best or the singer best. All right, so I've gone for this. No, that's not nice. Major 7th, G major 7th. The next one is Re do la sol, Re do la sol. So on the sol, and that sol is part of the first chord, the D chord. Do mi so, so Re do la sol. Then the next melody is do mi do re. Re is part of a 7th, the diminished 7th chord. So here C sharp diminished 7th, or that same re is part of A dominant 7th chord. Whichever one you would want to use will be perfect. So do mi do re, or do mi do re. So fa mi, and of course mi do mi so, part of the first chord. Mi re do la fa. Then mi la fa re do la sol do mi re do. So D A D. This is very simple. Yeah, that's simple. Yes, there can be so many ways, you know. Very little, but it's worth learning it. It's so beautiful, and you can apply it to so many songs. My name is Pastor George Mensa. You know me as Georgespratz. In case you haven't subscribed to my channel, hey, what are you waiting for? Please do it. This is the best time to learn the guitar you began to learn years ago, because you now have a good teacher. See you again, and soon.